Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the field labels and validation in the Staff Master module of PFT. To add a new staff member, click on the Add New button and enter the required information such as staff ID, name, address, city, state, and country. Additionally, you can select the teaching type, like teaching or non-teaching staff, and enter the designation of the employee. In this module, you can define all the required details for the institution. It's important to note that the basic salary and PF amount are only for data fetching and have nothing to do with payroll and salary. For payroll and salary, we have a different options that need to be declared separately, which we will explain in detail in the later session. Moving on to the Documents section, you can upload and update any necessary files by clicking the Add File button. Please note that the Leave module is getting revamped based on the department and type of staff, and a new field, employment type, like permanent employee or in probationary period or the trainee will be added soon. In terms of staff attendance, there are 3 ways to mark attendance: manual marking, integrating with biometric data, or using BioID. If you permit web check-in and geofencing, you must enable it and define the default coordinates in the attendance settings. You can then click on a particular staff member and enable it for them. Web check-in can work in parallel with a biometric device, and the area for web check-in must be defined within a 50-meter radius. BioID is also important when using a biometric device. Moving on to validation settings, you can access the master field setting for the staff master details in the Platform Tools module. Here, validation details can be defined. Additionally, data maintenance can be done using PFT. For example, if you want to change all staff names to uppercase, click on Data Maintenance, choose the Staff Master table, click on Action Type field and select Convert All Characters to Uppercase, and then enter Name under the field name and click on Perform button. This will change all staff names to uppercase in the Staff Master. In this way, we can change the field names into different type. In conclusion, this is all about the staff module in PFT, and we hope that you have gained valuable information on the Staff Master field labels and validation. Thank you for listening.